Hi, I'm Ramone, and today we're going to do lessons on how to make a towel for a dog. Alright? This is Jamaica, we say, yeah, man. Alright, so you lay the towel real flat. Alright, and the surface, you roll both ends. Put them in. Make sure the tips are out so you can hold them when you're ready to pull the legs out. Just halfway in. Yes. Real easy. Alright, so halfway. Really good. Pick it up and turn it over and fold it in half together. Make sure all tips are out so you can get a perfect grip and watch when you pull it over. So it's like magic, you just pull across. Voila, that's the body of the dog. So you make sure it's neat, right here, really easy. Simple and easy. You use a washcloth, you fold in half, then you fold a triangle. Right, to make the head, then you just take the nose, break it back, 2 folds for the hairs. If you get it first time, you have to watch it again, you figure it out. Pick it up, you break the hairs down. Yeah. Voila, that's the dog. Roof, roof. All right, then you do some decorations. A little, the flowers here and there, make it look pretty. Yes, real simple, easy, fancy. Alright, so you just make sure it's all uniform. Nice. Use whatever you have at home to just make it attractive. One final touch. Voila. Here we go. This is what I do each day. Thank you for watching. See you next time.